Oh my god. Ooh. What's it doing? Oh my lord. Freckle. Why do you think it's real? It just wants to hug you. Freckle. Freckle, what are you doing? Come here. Freckle. Come here. Why are you scared of the bear? Come back. Oh my god. Look at his tail all flipped out. Freckle. Come here. Freckle. It's just a bear. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Don't look at the bear. The bear's gone. It's gone. Freckle, come here. Come here. Freckle. Kitty. Freckle doesn't like Cuddle Bear. Freckle. What are you doing? What are you doing? See the bear? Freckle, look. See, he's not real. You're so cute. Freckle baby.